You want to say something before we go to bed?
You're all retards.
Islam looks like a beggar.
Like I was about to fall asleep, you guys couldn't open the lights and you fucking ruined my sleeping.
You want some pills, Islam?
No, it's no S1.
Tylenol? Calling once, going twice. That's it. Too late. Guys, who?
Close the lights. Give me the Tylenol. Give me water. And please, guys, go to sleep. You're gonna get me aggravated. And I can't get to sleep. I'm not gonna be able to sleep all night.
Wait, let me give him before he gets aggravated.
I'm gonna get so angry that you guys didn't ruin my sleep again.
Take
Ruining
it.
my sleep again.
Take. Open. Fuck, man, I can't.
I need another one. Fuck, this is Advil.
Yeah, but
why is it blue and gel?
Because it's jelly one.
Okay, give me water, please.
You don't want?
Give me the other one.
Oh, fuck you, man! I offered you
fuck
one.
you! What? You're making this really more complicated than it should be.
But you asked for 7.
Can I have the water?
No. These are jelly beans. You should just chew them.
Why?
Chew it. Trust me, it's good.
What?
A word of warning, man. If tomorrow morning they come in to clean, they're gonna step on you.
They will step on you. I swear. They might just put you in the recycle bin, man.
Why? This is not chewable.
I knew. Why did you chew it?
You fucking asshole. Give me water, please.
Wait.
Oh, that's fucking burning. I swear to God. I'm
Take.
gonna fucking kill you.
And this is the cover. Why did you chew it, man? I said swallow it.
Please close the light. Because I'm really fucking angry right now, man. You fucking ruined my life.
I know.